to another video. Let's go. How are y'all? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's another windy day here in town. That's alright. There's the car. Got new tires put on it. In the back, finally. That's all good. Yeah, finally got tires put on it. Shoot. Peaceful out here now. Not that very many people out here because a lot of them are going to church, you know what I'm saying? But that's alright. That's alright. Don't worry, it's gonna be full later. But they're going fires, I guess. I don't know where they're going. This is my speaker. What you gotta do, what you gotta do, man. YouTube. Yeah, she fat. You gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, there's one of my buddies went by. Yeah, right over there. But shoot. Gotta love Frostproof. Yeah, you just about know everybody here. So I'm just saying, you gotta love Frostproof, you know? My beautiful car. There's my keys. Yeah, one of these days. Sorry. One of these days, I'll be out there on the water with a boat or jet ski. But only time because of plane. Man, the boat. Hey, you gotta whatever money can afford. You know what I'm saying? Sorry for having cider, but it's whatever money can afford. I like how people have a trailer down there and all that bull crap at the lake. But I like how they have it attached to a tree and have an anchor down. Hey, it's whatever to keep your boat there. You know? But how's y'all day? How's y'all's weekend been? How's y'all's weekend? Yeah, as you can see, I got new tires put on. Yep, new tires. Pretty nice. I did it myself. I'm not bragging, but I work at a tire shop, so they let me do it on my car. It's pretty fun, honestly. It's pretty fun. You gotta do what you gotta do. Shoot. But yeah, there's some mods coming to it soon. First is tint, but there's some coming soon, so don't worry. I'll make a video on that when it happens, you know? And I remember when the lake was up higher, a whole lot higher. It's calm now. It's calmer over here. And I guess because all the houses and trees are blocking it, but ow, my leg. Yeah, but I hope y'all are having an amazing day. And dang, it got cloudy real quick this morning. It got cloudy real quick. Man, say I have a job and I'm doing this YouTube. Oh, there's a dog. But I have a job, but I am doing this YouTube. I'm doing YouTube to help me out a little bit. You know, help me earn a little extra money when I get up there on YouTube. But hey, I got my real job for now. I'm just doing YouTube on the side. Help me out a little bit, you know, as you see the boat. And now the sun decides to come out. Yeah, I got a ride in that semi up there. And sorry, I'm all over the place, but yeah, I got a ride in that semi when I was younger. It's pretty fun. It's pretty cool being in that older truck, you know. It's pretty nice, honestly. It's pretty nice. Yeah, this thing's gonna get lowered maybe just a little bit. New paint job, like a Nardo gray, new rims. Yeah, of course, y'all seen the underglow already. And probably smoke out the tail lights and headlights a little bit. Or at least, like the headlight housings, or at least add black into them. Yeah, new spoiler. Black out the badges and the door handles. And the mirror caps. Put it like a gloss black on the rims. Yeah. There's gonna be somewhat of a lot of stuff done to this car. Maybe a turbo kit, intake, muffler, and boom, there you go. Shoot. And tint. And a few things on the inside. Will be done. Make it a little bit more boom, you know. Like, I like how this guy has a jet ski, but he never takes it out. He takes out his boat, but he has a jet ski and doesn't use it. Honestly, I mean, yes, it's his money, but honestly, I think that's just a big waste of money. I'd be getting my money's worth out of that thing. Yo, just oh, imagine if I started a jet ski rental, did my real job, YouTube and jet ski rentals here in my town, here in this town, out of it. Shoot, I'd be making some money. I'd be making, you know how much money I'd be making? Shoot. Just ask the city if I could post up down there by the boat ramp. There you go. And honestly, I would kind of hire people who know how to work on jet skis, you know, so I wouldn't be taking them to the shop every single time, you know. But shoot, I think I have a plan, but it's gonna take me a little while to do it, you know, so I swear. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. With my beautiful car, or mine and my girlfriend's car. But it is what it is. You know, but I'm just gonna do it just to, you know, have it in my video. Gonna have this startup, you know what I'm saying? Only if I had one of my buddies here, but I don't, so here you go. Definitely gonna need a at least a muffler put on it. Honest, hey, have that muffler black out the tip right there. Shoot, I think that'd look nice, honestly. But if you have any suggestions, just tell me. If you have any suggestions, just tell me what I should do. And y'all probably about saying, wow, now he's using the wide angle. But honestly, I do kind of want to put them real vents right there. And of course, like, I'm gonna add a new grill and everything, new headlight housing. Shoot. It's gonna look nice, I hope. You know. Shoot. And yes, I say shoot a lot now. I don't know. I don't know why I do. But man, it's the perfect weekend for talk about cars, going to the lake, filming the lake, you know. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. Come on, please. There we go. For like the inside of my car, I'm probably gonna do Starlight headliner, new like electronics on the inside, new speakers, all that. I'm thinking about doing the Starlight headliner for it. Make it look nice. Of course, you hear the birds having a good time. Yes, I know I kind of pan too fast. I know, I'm sorry about that. I'm starting to get used to this, YouTube thing. I'm like 300 and something videos in. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hold on. And let's just do this. Turn this up, my air conditioning. Close this, and now here we go. Good. Hey, Kyoshi fam. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Let's go. See ya.